Unit 2 SYSTEMS Analyst, a profession. Why do businesses need systems analysts? If a business needs computerized information system, a systems analyst is required for analysis and design of that system. Business users may not fully understand the capabilities and limitations of modern information technology. Similarly, computer programmers and information technologists do not fully understand the business applications they are trying to computerize or support. A communication gap has always existed between those who need computer-based business solutions and those who understand information technology. Systems analyst bridges this gap. System users are concerned with business requirements. There are two main classes of system users are 1. Internal users 2. External users. Role of a systems analyst. The success of an information system development is based on the role of systems analyst. They are geographically separated from the business. The peoples can be connected to the company's information system through modern communications technology. External users in business-to-business information systems. Each business becomes an external user of the other business's information systems. Internal users are employees of the business for which an information system is built. Examples are clerical and service staff, technical and professional staff, supervisors, middle-level managers and executive managers. 1. Change agent. The analyst may be viewed as an agent of change. A candidate system is designed to introduce change and reorientation in how the user organization handles information or makes decisions. Then, it is important that the user accepts change. For user acceptance, analysts prefer user participations during design and implementation. Analyst carefully plans, monitors and implements change into the user domain because people inherently resist changes. In the role of a change agent, systems analyst may use different approaches to introduce changes to the user organization. 2. Investigator and monitor. A systems analyst may investigate the existing system to find the reasons for its failure. The role of an investigator is to extract the problems from existing systems and create information structures that uncover previously unknown trends that may have a direct impact on organization. The role of a monitor is to undertake and successfully complete a project. In this role, analysts must monitor programs in relation to time, cost and quality. 3. Architect. The analyst's role as an architect is liaison between the user's logical design requirements and the detailed physical system design. As architect, the analyst also creates a detailed physical design of candidate systems. A systems analyst makes the design of information system architecture on the basis of end-user requirements. This design becomes the blueprint for the programmers. 4. Psychologist. The analyst plays the role of psychologist in the way as he reaches people, interprets their thoughts, assesses their behavior and draws conclusions from these interactions. Psychologist plays a major role during the phase of fact-finding. 5. Motivator. System acceptance is achieved through user participation in its development, effective user training and proper motivation to use the system. The analyst's role as a motivator becomes obvious during the first few weeks after implementation and during times when turnover results in new people being trained to work with the candidate system. 6. Intermediary. In implementing a candidate system, the analyst tries to appease all parties involved. Diplomacy in dealing with people can improve acceptance of the system. The analyst's goal is to have the support of all the users. She or he represents their thinking and tries to achieve their goals through computerization. Duties of a systems analyst. The duty of a systems analyst is to coordinate the efforts of all groups to effectively develop and operate computer-based information systems. The duties of a systems analyst are 1. Defining requirements. The most important and difficult duty of an analyst is to understand the user's requirements. Several fact-finding techniques are used like interview, questionnaire, and observation. 2. Prioritizing requirements by consensus. There is a need to set priority among the requirements of various users. This can be achieved by having a common meeting with all the users and arriving at a consensus. This duty of systems analyst requires good interpersonal relations and diplomacy. 3. Analysis and evaluation. A systems analyst analyzes the working of the current information system in the organization and finds out the extent to which they meet users' needs. On the basis of facts and opinions, systems analyst finds the best characteristics of the new or modified system which will meet the user's stated information needs. 4. Solving problems. Systems analyst is basically a problem solver. An analyst must study the problem in depth and suggest alternate solutions to management. Problem-solving approach usually incorporates the following general steps are a. Identify the problem. B. Analyze and understand the problem. C. Identify alternative solutions and select the best solution. 5. Drawing up functional specifications. The key duty of systems analyst is to obtain the functional specifications of the system to be designed. The specification must be non-technical so that users and managers understand it. The specification must be precise and detailed so that it can be used by system implementers. 6. Designing systems. Once the specifications are accepted, the analyst designs the system. The design must be understandable to the system implementer. The design must be modular to accommodate changes easily. An analyst must know the latest design tools to assist implementer in his task. An analyst must also create a system test plan. 7. Evaluating systems. An analyst must critically evaluate a system after it has been in use for a reasonable period of time. The time at which evaluation is to be done, how it is to be done and how users' comments are to be gathered